Welcome back guys on my YouTube channel. Now today's video I'm going to be trying to explain what moves cryptocurrencies. Now stay with me till to the end of this video. I think you will have learned a lot. Now without forgetting this guys, we thank you all our subscribers who have so far subscribed to our channel. We thank you a lot, but let's push this channel to 100 subscribers. Now another thing is hit the links in the description. Follow us on our social media platforms, plus signing up with our reliable crypto broker, which is Binance. Now, without wasting time, let me jump into my notes. I want to make this video a little bit valuable and not too long because I don't want to waste your time, but I want you to get a lot of information. Now, like we have talked in our previous videos, we said cryptocurrencies, these are digital virtual assets or money which is transacted from wallets using an internet or an exchanger with the help of the blockchain technology. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be explaining what really moves cryptocurrencies. Now, cryptocurrency market moves according to supply and demand. Supply and demand, if you combine it with what I'm trying to explain, when you look at, let me bring an example of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency which was formed or created first in the crypto industry. Now, for Bitcoin, if you are to buy Bitcoin at the moment, you buy Bitcoin and hold. But remember, the total supply of Bitcoin was 21 million coins. It's what they produced from the system. Now, if you look at the circulating supply, it's also around 19 million plus coins. Now, what does this mean? When you look at the supply of the Bitcoin coins, they are over, okay, roughly let's say 20 million coins in the circulation. But and the demand of the people who would like to use these Bitcoins, you'll find we are over 7 billion people in the whole world. Now, if someone buys these Bitcoins, let me say if someone is holding 20 Bitcoins and he bought them at the value of $1, and these Bitcoins rise in value and they go to, let me say, $10 per coin, that means this person might have made a lot of money. That means whatever coin he has, it must be valuing like $9 profit. Remember, he bought these currencies at $1. Now, if he or she makes money, that means he will have a clear picture to show to others that these things work. Now, the demand of other people who would like to jump into the market, they will be focusing on also buying that same currency, which is Bitcoin. But remember, the supply is fixed. The amount of money which is created by the system, they do not add up any coin. If the system has produced 21 million coins, there remain 21 million coins up to the why. Remember, this system is computerized. Now, whatever they program in this system is what the computers respond. You get it? Because no one controls the blockchain. The blockchain solves its own problems on its own. Like there's no one who is in concern of controlling the blockchain technology. Now that's where supply and demand falls. You find the supply of coins is little and the demand from the people in the community or in the world who would like to buy bitcoins is high than the supply. So that's one of the major factors that leads to the rise of cryptocurrencies. So the demand of people, since it's high, it creates a lot of volatility in the market, whereby you find if 1 billion people are trying to buy Bitcoin at the moment, but you find the sellers who are selling Bitcoins, they are over like 50 million people. So that means 50 million people, they cannot bargain to sell their Bitcoins to 1 billion people who are buying. So you'll find whatever person has his own price where he's selling these Bitcoins. Hope we are together. However, as the are decentralized, they tend to remain free from many of the economic and political concerns that affect traditional currencies. Now, remember these cryptocurrencies, they are all decentralized in a way. People have their own concern about their money because if you're holding cryptocurrencies or if you're trading cryptocurrencies, that means you have your own money in your wallet. It can be an exchanger, it can be a cold wallet like an ledger. So that means these cryptocurrencies are not more concerned or affected by the economy or political concerns like these traditional currencies, like the way you see a US dollar, pound, euro, ABC. Why? These cryptocurrencies, they are governed or controlled by the community, not the government. Note, as you already know that the supply and demand of coins being produced by the system is always limited, like I've told you, and fixed, while the demand of people who would like to invest in that particular currency are many, hence makes pressure to the market volatility. This is hence the pressure of market volatility. This was what I tried to explain in the first that when you when you try to see cryptocurrencies, what moves them is typically supply and demand, because the supply of coins which is made by the system, is always fixed and not comparing with the demand of people who would like to invest in that particular currency. So thanks guys to stay with me till to the end of this video. I'm going to say that don't forget to like the subscribe plus following us on our social media platforms, and also signing up with our reliable crypto broker we recommend. All the links are down in the description, plus hitting that like button so many times.